What's up, folks? The Sportsbook Killer UFC Rio recap. Mario Pinto dominates, holding on to Denise and gets the stoppage. I had Denise. I just put him in a parlay. I didn't go heavy on him or anything. I just put him in a parlay, and didn't matter. He didn't get it done. Yeah, he didn't get it done. Mario Pinto showed some versatility. He showed the ground. He got a ground game because he took him down, which isn't really a feather in his cap. I mean, Denise isn't the best guy off his back. Everybody knows that. But he did switch things up. He took him down and then he just pummeled him on the ground. And, Pinto is known for his hands. He got serious punching power, but he got it done. He beat him. So I lost on that bet. But I did have the over 0.5 round prop. I hit that. And I also hit the under 2.5 round prop. So, 2 out of 3. I ain't totally mad at Denise. I only had him in one parlay anyway.